Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Amazon. And is it possible? Well, what you're going to do here first is you need to create an account on CJ. Just search for CJ Dropshipping and then tap on register. You can create an account using your Google account, connect it to your Facebook, to your Shopify, or you can just manually do it. So as you can see here, I will be creating an account in CJ Dropshipping. Once my account has been created, I can now go to my dashboard. Here in the CJ Dropshipping dashboard, if you look at the left side, you will see here the option that says authorization. If you tap this, then basically you can connect your CJ Dropshipping to this platforms. However, in my country, I cannot see Amazon here, but if in your country, you can see Amazon, all you need to do is to tap that one and connect your CJ Dropshipping. Another way is that through API. So basically, Amazon API and CJ Dropshipping to connect any application like CJ to Amazon, you will need API or Amazon Selling Partner API key. This requires a professional Amazon Seller Central account, and you must register your application. The Amazon Developer Console to get the access key or secret key and refresh token. Now, if you are not familiar with this, then the last thing you should do is to basically do manual orders. So all you need to do is copy orders details from Amazon and place them manually in CJ using the customer shipping fee or address. Then Excel, CSV import, export your Amazon orders into CSV, and then import the file into CJ. They have an Excel order import feature. You just have to add that one. And then third-party bridge. Some sellers use middleware like Shopify or WooCommerce as a middle layer. So you can connect Amazon, Shopify, connect Shopify to CJ, and then order sync automatically via Shopify. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.